Hey guys, how you doing? This is Wolverine Gaming from server 773, and recently we had an server maintenance which was like 30 minutes long, longest ever, and we have received a new update. As you can check your mails, but I'm gonna talk about a new building, War Center, which has been added to our base, and we can tap this building to access the currently available battlefield activity pages. So let's just check this out. Like you can see, we got a icon in here to war center used to view the information of all war events. Let's place it first. Let's place it here. Okay, it's done. Now let's see. All right. Okay, we can see there are lots of events in here, like Desert Storm Battlefield, Winter Storm Battlefield, Meteorite Iron More, Cannon Storm Battlefield. It's just like your one tap go for the events in Last War. Like you can check that timings of the events, and you can go check the rewards in here or check the activities all going on in Last War, like all these Desert Storm, Winter Storm, Meteor and Cannon Storm Battlefield, with like rewards and information on I button is given in here about those uh, events like Desert Storm Battlefield, fair competition among alliance, fight for the nuclear silo in the vast desert. Not detailed information, but some glimpse or key factors given in here, like 5v5 live battles, fight for the nuclear silo in the ice and snow. And for meteorite iron ore, a massive meteorite is about to strike the capital. For the rare minerals it carries and obtain large amount of precious supply, and you can like go and have access for these events from here. You don't need to go to event section each, and you can like it's like alarm center for your events in Last War, which is called as war center. You can see there will be all kinds of war. There is no need to upgrade this building. This is just for the information about the events. That's it, not much, not less. It's just like these to-do list center. Here we can see what we need to do, but here we can take a detailed look on upcoming events in these weeks or in your like server. So that's it guys. I hope this video helps you a little bit. Then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.